In this video, we will demonstrate how to update the firmware of the N20K48 Wi-Fi module and also test writing to the device from NOVUS Cloud, a feature implemented in this new firmware. To ensure proper operation of the functionalities, the device must be running firmware version 1.03 or higher. The Wi-Fi module firmware update can be performed in both AP mode, access point, where the device creates its own Wi-Fi network, or with the N20K48 connected to a Wi-Fi network, which is the method we will demonstrate. To access the firmware update interface, both the N20K48 and the computer used for the update must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you don't know your device's IP address, you can find this information in the diagnostics of the QuickTune software. The Wi-Fi module will be updated using over-the-air technology. With the device already powered and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the computer, open a browser and go to the IP address/upgrade. Select the firmware update file for the Wi-Fi module, available on the NOVUS website. Click on Start Upgrade. Wait for the process to complete. This process can take from 5 to 10 minutes. I will speed up the video for a few moments. After the transfer is complete, wait a few more minutes while the Wi-Fi module restarts. Again, I will speed up the video briefly. This step takes a few minutes and requires patience. After this, you will be able to see that the Wi-Fi module firmware has been updated to version 1.10. At this point, turn off your N20K48. Restarting your N20K48 after updating the Wi-Fi module firmware is necessary and very important. The next step is to update the QuickTune software to the latest version available on the NOVUS website. This step is also crucial to ensure proper operation of the device's features. After updating QuickTune, you will need to read your N20K48's configurations via USB cable. It's important to review the settings and enable the right function from NOVUS Cloud. In my case, as I'm adding the device to the cloud for the first time, I'll perform the full setup. First, add the device to NOVUS Cloud. Then, copy the token to insert into the device settings. Check the settings and enable the MQTT function. Enter the device token. Enable writing via MQTT. Add the necessary channels. Since I have 1 decimal place on the device, I choose the float option with 1 decimal place. Verify the settings again and send them to the device. Inside the cloud, create a dashboard for the N20K48. Create widgets for the desired variables. At this point, you must wait a few moments until the variables are made available in NOVUS Cloud. Now we need to create a widget that allows us to write to a variable from the cloud. Choose the command downlink option and create the widget. This new widget will appear on the dashboard. Now let's demonstrate the functionality. If the set point is changed on the device screen, it will also be updated in the cloud. And now, if we change the set point value from the cloud, it will also be updated on the device. So basically, with these steps, we perform everything needed to enable writing to the N20K48 from NOVUS Cloud.